Introducing the Gedore Capture Lite Torque Tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to give you confidence in the accuracy of your torque tools. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Capture Lite is the perfect addition to any industrial, automotive, or production environment. Covering a wide torque range of 10 to 350 Newton meters, the Capture Lite can accommodate various fastening applications, ensuring precise and accurate measurements. It offers 3 modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to select the most suitable mode for your specific needs. Featuring an anodized aluminum body, the Capture Lite is built to withstand the rigors of industrial use, ensuring long-lasting performance. The bright and clear OLED display, protected by a robust Perspex screen protector, provides easy readability even in challenging lighting conditions. The Capture Lite comes with a USB port, enabling you to export data for further analysis or documentation. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Gedore Capture Lite Torque Tester. Its versatility, durability, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable torque measurements. Invest in the Capture Lite and experience confidence in the accuracy of your torque tools.